Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make protein powder for pregnancy. We'll cover essential nutrients and safe ingredients to support both you and your baby. Making your own blend ensures you control the quality and avoid unwanted additives. This guide will help you create a nutritious and delicious supplement right in your kitchen, tailored to your specific needs during this special time. When crafting your pregnancy protein powder, focus on nutrient-dense ingredients. Rolled oats, almonds, and sunflower seeds provide excellent protein and fiber. Incorporate chia or flax seeds for omega-3 fatty acids, crucial for baby's development. For taste, consider a touch of cinnamon, vanilla, or a few dates. These components work together to support energy levels and fetal growth, making your homemade powder both effective and enjoyable. Preparing your protein powder is straightforward. Start by thoroughly grinding your chosen dry ingredients, like oats and seeds, into a fine, consistent powder using a high-speed blender. Ensure there are no large chunks for a smooth texture. Once blended, transfer the powder to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place. When ready, simply mix 2 to 3 tablespoons with your favorite milk or water for a convenient and beneficial boost. Always consult your healthcare provider before introducing any new supplements into your diet during pregnancy. Your homemade protein powder can be a versatile addition, perfect for smoothies, oatmeal, or even baked goods. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're meeting your increased protein needs. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, be sure to check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book on money management, along with other great deals. It could truly change your perspective.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.